Hello guys, it's a bright sunny day. I'm taking off from Flamstead End as usual. Apparently it's not supposed to be windy according to the UAV weather forecast, but it's still kind of very windy. What I'm going to do now is just go straight up. Okay, my altitude for the records is exactly 30 meters up. Now my ISO is 100 for now, which is the minimum. Let's check the shutter and see if we can open the light a bit. Alright, so here we go. Now I might have to correct these settings on the camera, but for now I'm just going to go in a straight line. P mode. Just going diagonally to make sure I'm aligned with the quad. I mean the controller is aligned with the quad. So I'm gonna have to probably bump you up a bit. I can still see it going. Do I still want to bump you up again to about 50? I'm still pushing it until I lose signal. So this time around, I'm not going to the golf course. I'm flying over the golf clubhouse and flying behind the golf course. Let's bump it up again to about 60 thereabout. Very beautiful, guys. The greeny, this environment is spectacular. So we're doing, well, first signal warning. Okay, so I will expect it to initiate return to home. If it doesn't, in the next few seconds, then instead of standing here, let me just send it back. I hope it comes back. Well, go a feed now, more or less. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to cancel. My juice is all right, so I'm gonna have to cancel the return to home. Okay, something is playing up here. I've cancelled the return to home, and then what we'll do is I'll bump it up again to about 70 thereabout, and then I'll do a reverse mode on this one, guys. My juice reporting is 65%. I'm not doing anything crazy. Just going in a reverse mode. At an altitude of 73, as you can all see. And just reporting is still 60 something. So let's see if we can hit a kilometer and then we come back with autopilot. Okay, I've lost signal again. I'm losing signal. Okay, so I'm not going to push my luck this time around. I'm going to let it come back home on autopilot. It's already making it. So I'm just going to sit back and relax, y'all. So I'm aiming the gimbal down for you to see my favorite 100-year-old house. Once we've passed it, that's the clubhouse on the left-hand side there. And I now leave the gimbal to do its own thing. I believe it's coming in a straight line. Now let me start reducing my altitude to about 30 or something thereabout. We've got about 200 meters to go. Okay, less than 200 meters now. It's almost here, guys. Now, I've got about 54% juice. And what do I do with that now? Not very sure. I'm gonna send it to go in sports mode. Let's see the difference. So 53% juice left. Right. Then I punch it up in a straight line. Okay, now this time we're doing a sports mode. Been a very cool turn. With the sports mode, the turning, it's quite brisk, you know, so you have to do something about it. Now I've lost track of it now. Okay, I've lost it. Let me bring it back to the home point in a reverse mode. Okay, I can see it now. My juice reporting is about 43%. And altitude is about 70. And I'm going back until I lose signal. I've lost signal already. Now let's bring it forward. So strong wind. So I have to reduce my altitude. Okay. Now it's still telling me it's got strong wind. So I'm gonna have to bring it back. I can hear it crying, but I can't see it. Okay, it's right on top of me. Okay, guys. Here we go. %30-something. So it's about 31%, guys. So I'm gonna come back for landing. Before I do that 31%, let's do that altitude. Lower the altitude. Come down. from that angle. Give the universe a lifetime treat. Say a prayer to have a little update. The name is Didos Amadas. Thank you for watching this episode. Ciao.